I made a website without writing a single line of code. Yeah, you heard that right, no coding, no headaches, just pure creativity. Everything you see here, the design, the layout, even some of the interactive stuff, I built it all with tools anyone can use. Not a baby, but you know. So today, I'm going to take you behind the scenes, show you how I made it and all the challenges I had. Hello masters, I am Nello, my first time here on YouTube. Yeah, that's me. 10 years in YouTube and I can even get close to 1000 subscribers. Come on, man. Today I am here to show you my journey since I have started making this website and all the challenges and problems I had doing it. And you need to know that even now there are some tools that allow you to not use coding. You still need to learn plenty of things. And if you pretend to do it from scratch, like I did, I recommend you first to see some websites that are well built to see what text they use, what animations they use, and then based on that you can transfer it to your own website. Because if you start from scratch, it would be easier for you to make your own layout and your own narrative, but it will take longer, so you need to consider that. I'm also making this video because I wanted to show you as an artist why I have made this website and why I think it will be helpful in the future. And yeah, now I will show you the process of my website, and I hope you enjoy it a lot. Let's dive into the video. Many artists build their portfolio through ArtStation, Instagram or LinkedIn with a classic CV. As you know, I really care about my personal brand. So 3 months ago, I decided to go further and create something that tells a story while showcasing my work and achievements. That's nothing less than a website. At first, I was scared because I didn't know how hard it would be or if I would need coding knowledge, since most websites require it. But I rolled up my sleeves, searched for references from some of my favorite sites like Antihero, a recent gaming startup, House Tech, the art director of Clash Royale, and yes, GTA 6. That's right, I had my website ready before GTA 6. Crazy, right?
GTA 6, right? This is we got this before GTA 6. Realize the first one of those jokes.
But yeah, let's focus on the appealing design and simplicity in code and structure. Before actually creating my website, I also need to figure out which platform I would use. I look into several like WordPress, Hostinger, Wix, and finally choose Wix Studio. At first, I started building it in Wix, but because of some limitations, I decided to move it to Wix Studio. Disclaimer, I had spent 87 euros for the basic plan, which allowed me to remove the Wix watermark, unlock some SEO functionality, and of course, get my own domain. But I didn't pay this until the very end, since Wix allowed me to build almost the entire site with all the features beforehand. Thanks Wix! This video isn't sponsored, sadly. Once I got into Wix and started experimenting with the tools, I realized I could build everything without coding, and it was actually pretty easy and intuitive. I added images here, some text here, and after 3 months, tada! 3 months? Isn't that a lot, Nello? Yeah, I know. Making a website can be easy and accessible for anyone, but the time really depends on how complex it is. For example, it's not the same to build a site that runs a video game as one that only displays images. In my case, it took longer because I spent a lot of time researching the best platform, redoing everything after switching from Wix, adapting the design for different devices, crafting my own layout so that it would be visually appealing, interactive, but still optimized to load fast. And also struggling with translations. The translation part, oh man, I hate it with my soul. Adding another language would mess everything up, but at least I left it polished for English, German and Spanish. Another mistake I made was previewing the site only from the site editor. That's a problem, because the proportions in the editor aren't the same as the live site, since the editor needs extra space to fit all the editing tools. That gave me another headache. Now moving on the negative part of building everything without code, my website is basically non-transferable, since it's not based on code. I can just export it to another platform. I'm basically tied to Wix forever. So what did I learn from all this? Creating a website without coding is absolutely possible. It's intuitive, beginner-friendly, and gives you full creative control, but it also comes with its downsides. It takes time, translations can be messy, proportions can fool you in the editor, and the biggest drawback is that you are locked into the platform you choose. For me, Wix Studio was the best choice. It let me build something unique, personal, and visually engaging, all while strengthening my personal brand, and honestly, the process with all its changes was 100% worth it. And that's my journey of building my personal website as a freelance artist. If you're thinking of making your own, I hope this gives you the motivation. Like and subscribe, and I will appreciate it. See you in the next video.